So on your phone now. So this right here, what you just did, is what you normally would do. This is a one-time deal. So hit activate now. On your phone, hit the OK in the Dual app that says congratulations. In the upper right corner of your phone, hit add in the Dual app. Hit QR code, top choice. There you go. Hit next. And then if this is the only computer you use, you can leave the name. But if you log into multiple ones, change the name so you know which one it goes to. So if this is the only one, just hit save. Okay, hit enter offline code on the computer, and then on your phone, hit show on the offline. Activate. Oh, scroll. I think you're in the wrong one. Scroll down on your phone a little bit more. There you go. That bottom one. That's the one you want. And that code changes every 30 seconds. That code is strictly for if you lose the internet here. There you go. You want me to shut that off so the screen doesn't shut off?
It shows it. If you go to settings, it's